So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. So today I want to take you through how to tie a puff, a bun, a middle one. So in this case I'm going to use I have water. I want to sprinkle on my hair because it's a little bit dry, and then I'll be using Eco Styler, and yeah, that's basically what I will be using. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So it's what I've been. So yeah, so I just want to straighten my hair. I take my Eco Styler gel. This is a coconut one. This is too much. I'm so generous. Very generous. Very generous. Yes, I'm done. So guys, let me know what you think about this tutorial. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you have another way of tying it, please let me know in the comment section. Bye.